Welcome, ever heard of those tiny, unassuming powerhouses called chia seeds? You might have seen them, but why should you actually eat them? Let's find out. Well, these little guys are absolutely packed with incredible nutrients, starting with fiber. Loads of it, both soluble and insoluble, which is fantastic for keeping your digestive system happy and running smoothly, like a gentle internal cleanse. And here's another big one: omega-3 fatty acids. Yes, the good fats often celebrated in fish are also plentiful in chia seeds, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. These are crucial for brain function, reducing inflammation, and maintaining a healthy heart. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds also offer a decent amount of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and growth, plus vital minerals like calcium for strong bones, magnesium for nerve and muscle function, and even phosphorus. So what does all this mean for you? Well, because they absorb water and expand, forming a gel-like substance, chia seeds help you feel full and satisfied for much longer, which can be super helpful for weight management. Their fiber content also plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, preventing those sudden energy spikes and crashes. And those omega-3s we talked about, they're fantastic for supporting overall cardiovascular health. All right, convinced? Great. So how do you actually eat them? It's super easy. You can simply sprinkle them on your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads, blend them into smoothies, or even make delicious chia puddings or healthy jams. From boosting digestion and sustained energy to supporting your heart and brain, these tiny seeds truly are a superfood powerhouse you'll want to add to your diet. Give them a try. Your body will thank you. Subscribe for more fun facts.